Okay, hello. Welcome to my assignment for which is called Made from Mom Love Stimulation app. So, before starting the game, before starting the app, I will just briefly say what it's about. So, it's about a cooking app. So there will be a character inside which is called mom. She will guide you like step by step to create a traditional dish in Vietnam which called bánh bột lọc. Also in English is I believe is tapioca dumpling wrap. Yeah, now I'm start the game. The app, sorry. So here's the main screen. Then when I'm hover like around, you see like the button changes color, and then I'm press on the menu button. This will show up the instruction of what this is about and how you're gonna do it and how you're gonna use your mouth to interact with it. And then start to play the game. So before to play the game, you have to turn on the light, or else you cannot do anything. Cannot, cannot. Okay, just the light is working. Turn on the light. A lot of stuff will appear, and the sky has some trees. You can see it's the night sky to sunny day. And then open the fridge, grab the ingredient, put it on the cutting board, and like looking at her like instructions. So cutting on the board 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and then put it on the bowl for marinade. It's gonna take like 3 seconds, I believe. Yeah, 3 seconds. And then after that, we're gonna grab this, combine with the dough, and it's gonna change to another stage. And then put in the pot for boiling to make it like fully cooked. Uh, right now I don't know, but it's not supposed to be like that for the ingredient. It's for the ingredient, but see what it is. I will try to fix that later. And then when I grab this, put it on the plate. This final stage of the plate is the bánh bột lọc and the tapioca, the plain wrap, and compliment from mom. So she will smile and give you a compliment every time that you did something right. And then if you click on this button here, it's gonna play like her favorite music. And then click on it again, is turn off, continue the background music, and done. And then you can just restart again, and everything become back normally. Start, open up the light, and then restart. And that's everything about the game. I will turn off. So for the question two, um, most of my code I will put it in like in a class so that it would be easier to using, and also like I put like note on those so that I would know like what happened, and also like sometime like bringing out to know like which one is which one. And so you can see over here I mostly like grab grab a group them and then put them into a class by using class, and also factories. So factory help me like I'm turning on first. Where's the factory? It's in pattern. So I create like 3 type of factory here: button, kitchen object and then scene. So these are the kitchen object and then the scene and then the button. And this one is for the decorate pattern. Um, so for the factory pattern, I use those so that I can just like call them again and again without like like make it complicated. Like I have to state this equal to something something something. So this one is way faster and make like the whole code look really organized. And what else? Abstract and superclass or interface. So interface I create here is a hittable. So this interface is like clean every method. It's like represent for every like hit method in the ingredient if I want to ingredient to hit with something. So I just make like a separate hittable one, and then in the ingredient I can just call it out like boolean hittable with the target, and then in the code I just rename the target with the name of the other class, because I also like where is though like implement hittable in each of those, like every object I implement hittable. And then put abstract I put it in the intro, I believe, or oh, the button, like a public abstract button. And then from that I can create like a lot of more button with the same like size and same size and location or different location, and I can easily just rename like the state, the override the method and stuff. Yeah, so made it clear. So just like this this button, or maybe like uh this button. Okay, and then uh inclusion polymorphism. So I use it in like mm, a lot of those. So for the array list, I use this and just rename like and use the child class of the parent class to locato. I'm sorry. And then here I also use inclusion modifies more inclusion polymorphism. And then on top of every class, I put in like a block command for those, as you can see about what it's about. Um, and factory pattern, I just said it before. I use for like mostly everything so that I can just clean up my man code and look like more minimalism. Mm-hmm. And what's the requirements? Refactors. So you can see like in the subclass, I just use super for every like field that they the same. So then going back to the button again, here, a lot of stuff. And button, in other button, like I just need to use super to call it out. And then I for the drawing card, I just put a lot of system print so that I can know what happened and debug those so that I can avoid avoid crossing the code while running. And I think that's everything. Yeah.